Today I am going to show you two important tools for your SEO and for your keyword research. Hi guys, welcome to free digital marketing course training, and this is Chandu. You are watching Digital Chandu channel, and we have successfully completed SEO tutorials guys. If you missed those videos, simply go to YouTube and search digital marketing digital Chandu, and you can get these videos in front of you. Go through those videos and learn more free stuff from digital Chandu. And previous video we already discussed about so many free keyword research tools. We have successfully completed keyword planner, Uber suggest and Google Trends. Today I am going to show you two important tools for your SEO and for your keyword research. First I am going to show you keywords everywhere and how to use it, what's the overview, and next I am going to show you one secret tool for you guys. Keyword everywhere is now paid one. You people don't get the results from keyword everywhere with free version. So because the reason I am going to show you my secret tool for you, those will show you in front of you results. First I am going to show you keyword everywhere, and this is the extension guys, and you can search here keyword everywhere extension. Whenever you search keyword everywhere extension, here you can see third one, go chrome.google, from chrome.google, and whenever click on it, it will show you like this. Already add this extension in my particular this desktop, so because the reason it showing me remove from Chrome. Whenever you are a first newbie, it will ask you add to your Chrome. Please click the add to Chrome, and it will add it to your this particular extension bar. And after after getting this keyword everywhere extension, please click on it, and it will show you the option import keywords, my keywords. Whenever import the keywords, so those keywords are imported, and it will show you in my keywords also, and page analysis settings, everything it will show you like this. See how it is useful means, see whenever a particular keyword we are searching in search engine, click enter, it will show you in right side everything about what are the keywords and what are the related keywords. Here you can see related keywords, for which keyword we are using to search, and it will show you related keywords and people also searching for these particular keywords also. This is the process for keyword everywhere. This is not previously it's showing everything stats for search volume, competition, everything, but now it's a paid tool. Everything in first those people are offering free, then those people are converted into pro version. And the second one, the second secret tool for you guys, this is my secret tool, and what's those, that one is keyword suffer. This is the this is also one of the keyword research tool, and this is also extension guys. Whenever a keyword suffer Chrome extension, click on this one, and you can get this page. Already I have this one also, just enable this one. Whenever you are newbie, at that time it will ask you add to Chrome. Already I have, so because the reason it's asked me remove from Chrome, enable this item, and here you can see the extension is added here, and now it will show you everything, search volumes, and what are the stats analysis about, with free of cost, but minimum results only guys. No need to go take that particular keyword and go to keyword planner. You no need to do like that. It's a time taken process guy, right? So because the reason it will help you and it will save you a lot of your time whenever doing a particular job. See, whenever I search a particular digital marketing here, in right side it will show you what are the particular similar keywords and its search volumes, what are the similarity. These keywords are similar, how much similar to this particular digital marketing. This keyword is 10% and digital marketer is 25% digital marketing, and this is the similar keywords. Here you can see, and in which website getting more backlinks using this particular keyword. Here you can see smartinsights.com getting 6.7k 6700 backlinks, quality backlinks have this particular keyword. And here you can see Wikipedia, almost every time Wikipedia is topmost, right? See, this is the process for quality backlinks and estimated traffic. Each website how much traffic getting for this particular keyword. And whenever you put it your mouse here over here, and smartinsights.com getting approximately 6 lakhs 4,66,000 traffic for this particular keyword, guys. So this is the power of keyword suffer tool, and this is the related searches. What are the people are searching for this particular keyword of, instead of digital marketing, people are searching digital marketing definition and digital marketing wiki, etc, etc, guys. These are the two tools I am using now for keyword research in extension bar. I hope this video helpful to you guys. And if you find this video helpful to you, I'm sharing my personal tricks and tips to you guys. Don't miss these tips and tricks. Follow these tips and tricks, definitely you people get the results. If you found this video helpful to you, please hit the like button and let me know in comment box how was the video, how these tools are useful to you, and subscribe me for more digital marketing tips. Share in social media also, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.